Welcome to the Retired Trucker back with another video. Just in time freight. That was big time before the pandemic. I think during the pandemic something happened and it kind of went away. At least I didn't hear a lot about it after that. But just in time, got to get the load there, and they don't. There's no leeway. You don't get the load there just in time, it might shut down the plant. Costs lots and lots of money. So I think that's a lot happened when the supply chain went downhill during the pandemic because nobody had any warehousing and to stock up on things. They were too used to the just in time. So, the freight app Convoy are going to start a just in time service. So I've got the article here from Freight Waves. We're going to go over it and check it out, see what they say about Convoy and their just in time service. I don't like just in time stuff, never have. Never liked it at all. So here we go. And we click this right here. Whoops, there we go. Convoy releases just in time service. Service designed to help eliminate $50 billion worth of manufacturing downtime. Wow. Downtime can be costly, I will give you that. In the aftermath of the pandemic, the resurgence of just in time manufacturing is becoming evident. The short term preference for just in time or just in case inventory has produced a renewed emphasis on efficiency and cost reduction. The pivot within a post-pandemic logistics landscape has influenced digital freight network Convoy to launch just in time. This solution ensures an on-time delivery within a 15-minute window for its shipper customers with fully vetted carriers that understand the firm delivery standards needed to provide just-in-time offerings. But you can't in my opinion, you can't figure out traffic, weather, breakdowns, blowouts, and anything that might happen in trucking. The problem is that it's very rigid. If the production plan changes, it demands surges, and extra volume goes to expedient carriers. When that happens, transportation costs become very expensive, sometimes thousands of dollars more per shipment, often resulting in up to an 11% increase in cost for shippers. Wow. Not only do these extra costs occur when demand surges, even larger costs occur when production lines shut down. According to a Forbes study, an average automotive original equipment manufacturer can see up to 800 hours of downtime per year, costing up to $22,000 per minute. In the past, these down production lines cost industrial manufacturers up to $50 billion a year. Since beta testing the offering with select manufacturers, Convoy has seen 98% on-time delivery performance while covering agreed upon penalty costs for the other 2% of shipments. As shippers utilize Convoy's new offerings, its network of more than 400,000 carriers will now see uniquely designed load offerings within the company's application. Not every carrier will qualify to service just-in-time shipments, but by utilizing over 1,000 data points from past shipments, Convoy's machine learning models will vet carriers with service records that qualify them to accept these loads. Convoy stressed the importance of load transparency when offering carriers just-in-time shipments, as they often come with a number of standards, including check-in procedures, tracking capabilities, and punitive damages. We understand that the shipper is looking We understand what the shipper is looking for with these critical shipments, so we have added individual steps into the workflow so we can provide all necessary information well ahead of the actual delivery of the shipment. We want drivers to be well aware of their responsibilities. We are not surprising anyone when it comes to the shipment requirements. This is a huge efficiency gain for shippers, and we don't want to have to worry about plant stoppages. Wow. Just in time freight. It's coming back, I guess. And Convoy has the app. If I guess if go in their app, look for just in time freight. If your carrier has been vetted and accepted, you too can get you a just in time load. I would stay away from those, in my opinion, as far as I could. My experience, let me go over my experience at the company I was leased on to, and they're just in time freight. They would tell me this load has to be there at this certain time on this certain day, or the plant will shut down. All right. Every time I was told that, I would get the load there as fast and safely and legally as possible. Get there on time. Then you pull into their lot. There's 5 or 6 trucks waiting to get unloaded. You walk inside to check in, and they get mad at you because you showed up there. And the guy shipping or receiving said, "We don't even have room for this stuff. Why is everybody coming at the same time?" Well, dispatch told me that if I didn't get the load here, the plant was going to shut down. And that happened several times. I get to a receiver just in time. I was told, yeah, if you don't get there when you're supposed to get there, the plant's going to shut down. You got to hurry, 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 hurry. Don't stop to eat. Don't do this. Don't do that. You get to where you got to be with your just in time load in uh, a warehouse full of stuff, or that, like I said, they don't have anywhere to put it, or what are you doing showing up today? We don't need this right now. I don't know. I was just told to get here just in time or the plant was going to shut down. So that's my experience with just in time freight. We got to where it was a running joke to the drivers there at the company I was leased on to, that when dispatch told you the plant was going to shut down, it was like, yeah, right. Sure. So we didn't hurry because we know better to kill ourselves to try to get a load there just in time, because most of the places we went to, they didn't have room for it, or they didn't really care if we were there or not. So that's just my experience and my opinion on just in time freight. Let me know down in the comment section about your all's experiences with just in time freight. All right. Appreciate it. Sure to check all the links in the description. Appreciate everybody watching. Everybody have a good day and stay safe.